Hi there, my name's Dean Serneels, and today in R&D Cocktails, I'm going to make for you a special cocktail that I created just for today's event called Deadpool and Tonic. Absolutely. Starting off with some Finest Call single pressed lime juice. So single pressed lime juice is exactly that. Finest Call is taken one lime, squeeze the juice out of it, and put it in a bottle. That's it, all right? And some great gin. This is a great American-style gin with Aviation. Good heaping pour of Aviation gin and some tonic. Just topping it up with tonic like so. Giving it a little bit of stir. We garnish with a lime. Now the fun part. Little strawberry Real, California strawberries. Here's the Deadpool part. I'm just going to put the strawberries around the edge of the glass, just like so. And here's the strawberry for garnish. There it is, the Deadpool and Tonic.